Sana tatapang lukaku, kering dan dapatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit mo, kaluguran daka o'y tamo. Kailangan pinabila na kami, miso nung malyari mo pinakadala ka, piso ni kailan mamalyari, adwa ka namang magsabi. Kaluguran na ka, ilang beses ko lang sinabi, ikwayo ng may gawani, ikwayo may kalas, ikwayo na rin na sila, yung puso ay alas. Sinapak niya mong balas, yung puso kong may pilit, hindi na nasuka, kadyo panayati. Yung balo mo sana, wala daw ang kulit, ay nasabi ko na kaluguran na ka kasi. Nung may pulumako, nalubungan na sakit, basta ikasaya ka, anak ka manasakit. Ngayon ang buri mo, abanagdaman ko, ekuwari manamdaman to, tama din pagkaminas ko, ang mga palo ako, uling alala kung iwanan ang pagbawal ko. Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kering kang depat ko, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
Huwag kang magtaka kung ito'y nakakaka, pagpigilin niya dahil mahal kita. Kaluguran na ka at yung malasakit ko, palo mo para sa'kin napakasakit mo. Mas makakabuti na ako'y umiwas dahil sa ayoko masaktan, ayokong mabalisa. Mas mabuting mag-isa kahit maparalisa, di mapakalisa. Sitwasyon ko na sa karkablanong kalagayan, gusto ko laging tagayan. Bakit di mo ko damayan, halika ako'y damayan. Hanggang sa'ko'y malasing at tuluyang mapraning. Pag natulog ako neng, sana di na magising. Ayoko na ganito, ayoko na ganyan, ayoko na makita, baka lalong masakal. Ayoko umiyak, ubus na aluwa ko, kaya paalam na mahal ako na alalayo.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kering kang depat ko, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in L-O-V-E-D-T, she has a boy. This girl has got this kid's up, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here and do nothing at all about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, go to studio, I can mouth it. She said he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a trillion, sing to her up on a mountain. I had a vision of me and her married, no I can't get over her. I don't know why I won't leave my mind, this supernatural girl. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's an angel. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me and also my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down and relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kering kang depat ko, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran daka o'y tamo.
Paalam ang lumalabas sa aking labi, sa lahat ng nangyari sa'kin mo na isisi. Mahal kita ngunit kailangan lang, pagkat di nakayanan ng mga hadlang. Ikaw ang unang bumitaw at iniwan ako, luhay pumatak.